Okay, week 8, chapter 7, promoting good health and wellness. So again, we kind of go back into the wonky chapter order, but it's with good intention. You have the option of reading the chapter or listening to the audio textbook, whichever one you prefer. Arizona state regulations are here, as well as the Caring for Our Children standards. There is an infectious disease Flipgrid chart in case you wanted to see what that looked like. And then, as we discussed in chapter 6, there are the responses which we go over in the last week. So, week 8 is a three-parter. And this is going to be keeping kids safe. So hand washing, all of those wonderful, wonderful trainings that you have gone through in your place of employment, and up until this part. So you are going to read chapter 7, reflect on it. You're going to watch video commentary, just choose one of the videos provided, and discuss that, and then respond to 2 peers. So there we go. You will also see a code of ethics assignment. And I do a video commentary here for you to kind of go, you're going to love hearing my voice by the end of this course. But it's a 10-minute overview of this assignment. So I'm not going to go over it in great detail because I feel like I give you a pretty good detailed overview in the video that I've embedded. So we'll go that way. All right, and then we were going to do Socktober, which is a donation drive for a local shelter in the area. We did it last October. We were going to do it this October, but they just notified us that they are looking for different donations. So this will be removed for you, and we will revisit what their needs are for the community, and we'll let everybody know just in case they are interested in participating. So that is the long and short of week 8, chapter 7. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we will talk to you soon.